go. Back to our regularly filmed videos, things freight trains. A little bit of action over the Great Lakes today. Yeah, a little bit of action over the Great Lakes today. Airspace closed. You gotta watch that video I just put out. Oh man, look at this. We got some mega log haulers. I wonder if these are the ones that just came up from Green Bay. Somebody caught on video. Well, they aren't wasting no time going north of Channing, are they? Man. Made it out just here, just in time. Oh, I was laying down and taking a little bit of a snooze. And Freddy's back. Check it out. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh yeah, t-shirts. It's 50 degrees out. Beautiful day. Guys, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below. Is it bath time? Time to take the bath. Oh, yeah. You like that, huh? Are you giving the other bird a bath too? I think you're giving me a bath. I feel it hitting me. Holy mackerel, look at that wet bird. What are you doing? Holy mackerel. See, I'd give you a bigger bowl, but you won't get into it. You want your little tiny water dish.